We are here today in Brussels in Belgium for the Bosch Easy Pro Installer event. So at the Easy Pro World event, they will be showcasing the 7 different stages. From software to heat loss to post-installation support and obviously installation. We've been invited here today to demo and showcase the heat pump mover, and very soon it will be available on the Bosch Partner portal. There's 420 attendees, to which 200 are the best installers from the Netherlands and Belgium. And it's going to be an incredible night. We might even get fed.
Very easy.
Les unités extérieures, la plupart de vous le savent très bien, ça pèse quand même plus de 100 kg et je vous conseille fortement d'aller le tester parce que c'est vraiment un outil hyper pratique.